It's the only one anyone gave me in this class. All right, now look. If I try to label O starting at 49, there is no O, right? Like there's no side over here. So 49 is not what I want to start with. Now, you could rebuild a triangle on the other side and blah, blah, blah. But what we want to do is use the triangle that's already here. But I don't have an angle inside of this triangle, right? So you cannot just use 49. And by the way, this right here is not 49. Don't write that, okay? Not 49 right there. But I do see that this angle, this bigger angle is what? 90 degrees, or right, okay? So that means these two angles are, there's a C word for it from Unit 1. Does anyone remember what you call two angles that add up to 90? Not corresponding, not congruent, necessarily. Complementary. Complementary angles add up to 90. So what we're going to try to find the complementary angle of 49. How do I figure that out if I know they add up to 90? What do I do with 90 and 49 to figure out the missing angle? Subtract. Let's do it. 90 minus 49 will give me the complement. What do I get? What do I get when I subtract? Oh, my bad. That's a subtraction sign. 41. Thank you. It is 41. So go ahead and write 41 right here. Now, starting at 41, you want to label OHA. The opposite, the hypotenuse, and the adjacent. So put a little arc here. Which one is the O? 24, right? Okay, now which one's the H? H is always across from the 90-degree angle. So H goes here. The leftover is A. So there's OHA. Now, which one is not labeled? Which one can I scratch out? H has nada. Nada, nada. Limonada. Now, OA is which one on SOHCAHTOA? Which one's OA? TOA. T for tangent, and we're going to write TAN. Tan. Now, don't mess this up. What's the angle? Tan what? 41. You have to use the angle from the inside. I know 49 was there, but 49 is outside. You only use that to figure out the inside. Now, so tan 41 equals O over A. What's O? 24 over A, which is X. Now, I definitely told you how to solve this Friday and yesterday, Monday. How do I solve these when X is on the bottom? What's the trick? We're going to switch the X and the trig on the left-hand side, right? So take the tan 41, take the X, switcheroo, and now X goes to the left, equals 24 stays on top, tan 41's on the bottom now. Can you type in your calculator? 24 over tan 41. I already did it. And what do we get? 27.608, which rounds to 27.61. Centimeters, yes. Now, yesterday you started your assignment. If anyone was absent yesterday, you can get the assignment right here with today's date. You can get the filled out copy of the notes right here, yesterday's date. I need you to work on the trigonometry assignment. Running back, you can do it all, okay? Remember, number 1, label OHA. Number 2, plug it in your calculator. Number 3 is like the first half of the notes. And then 4 to the end is like what we've been doing on the warm-ups and the rest of the notes. So, I need you to finish that assignment first. If you finish that assignment and you know you got a low quiz grade, come talk to me. You can do corrections, okay? Does everyone know what to do? An option is not to waste time, especially not on my birthday. All right, let's get started.